So I started doing like a bunch of pop-up shops lately. Like I found this really good website that shows me like all the cool pop-up shops around LA. So I've just been out going there, getting it, being on the road, cool pop-up vendor, doing this business thing, entrepreneurship. And I've been able to meet like a lot of cool people and share all these awesome self-care goodies with them. And they keep asking me, so why don't you sell these like more at a time? Like, why don't you have like a bigger bundle option available? And these people are already buying like 10 or 20 bath bombs. And I'm like, I mean, that seems like a good idea. Like, they said that it's like it takes too long for me to get back to that city and they run out and they don't like that. So can I like offer a bigger option of like more bath bombs? And maybe if it's more, could they get a discounted price? And I was like, that actually sounds like a good idea. This is kind of like wholesaling. So I was like, why not start it? Give the people what they want. So that's where this started. Now I started making this bundle is like 30 different bath bombs, and it's like, it's my wholesale. It's like a wholesale option, so I sell them to them for like cheaper. And look how beautiful that is. So it's like they could buy a bunch and get them for cheaper. And this is me putting it together. This is like the first one I ever made. I was so excited. Like literally, they're so cute. And they're so fun. And stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how they work in a bit.
They're finally here. I finally made them, literally. I've been like thinking about this and working on this for like at least I don't even remember how long it's been by now, but at least a couple months. And it's finally together. It's like my little baby. I'm so proud of it. Look. This is the front. Well, this is the front. But this is the front label. It's literally these are the blissful bunch of bath bombs. I love them so much. There's like 30 different ones in here. You get up to like 8 different scents. Here's the front. And then this is the back. It tells you like all the important little side things that people care about. Like it's handmade, it's 100% vegan, phthalate free, sulfate free, paraben free, and amazing. I love these things so much. So, and this thing is heavy. These things are like well made. They're not like the ones you just throw in and then they fizz up in like 2 seconds. These are like long, slow fizzers. So like you get like a nice, relaxing like spa experience. So that's these bad boys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They're so cool. I can't wait to have like so many people be able to try these. But yeah, so if anybody wants these, I think I'm gonna put them up in my Etsy shop. So I'm going ahead and I'm selling them at pop-ups and stuff, but I think I'm gonna add them to my Etsy as well. I'm just so excited they're like freaking together. This was a vision come true. And it took some time and dedication, but I made it happen. And look how pretty it came out. And there's all these delicious bath bombs. I love it.
Da-da-da, here we go. It's demo time. This one's the cedarwood and the fairy garden one. And it's so pretty. Like I love those colors. They blend together so well. Like hot pink and yellow. Ooh. And just wait till it hits the water. It's so pretty and it smells amazing. It's like a nice kind of like earthy scent, but also sweet. So it's like literally the perfect like chill out kind of bath bomb. So check it out. Yeah. And I'm gonna have to do a close up of this one because literally I love it so much. And I literally love like playing with the bubbles and stuff. It makes the water so soft and like, what is it called? Like silky and like fluffy almost. Like it's a really fun treat. Like This literally makes my bath time so much more fun. It's literally one of my favorites. It's nice and moisturizing too. Ready for the close-up? I don't know if you're ready. I'm picking it up. And you see how much like bubbles there are? Like literally it's so foamy and fun. And beneficial with aromatherapy benefits from the cedarwood. Oh, literally it's like a piece of art. I love these things. So stay tuned for checking out all the cool things I have to store. I'll catch you on the next one. Okay. You have a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.